You know me as someone committed to finding the truth. So I've taken the initiative to openly challenge the trading geek, now known as Brad Goh, I wonder why, to a trading duel. My terms are simple. It must be on a live account through a regulated futures broker. The decision now rests with him. Will he accept the challenge or will he choose to ignore it? Let's find out. So guys, I've decided to make this challenge public, leaving no room for doubt. The trading geek, arguably one of the most successful traders on planet Earth,
What in the hell is he talking about?
he's created many multi-million-dollar systems that have surpassed any return Renaissance technology could ever dream of. You see, even all those PhD mathematicians, statisticians, computer science algorithmic geeks stand no chance against Brad Goh. So I'm merely a fish in the pond, captured and thrown into the vast Pacific Ocean against a great white shark in this challenge. He's got no reason to turn this down. Still no reply from the trading geek, so I've decided to make this a bit more personal. Now, he definitely cannot say that he isn't aware of the challenge. It's day 3 and the silence from the trading geek is troubling. No response to the challenge yet. It's been 19 days since I reached out to Brad Goh to openly challenge him to a trading duel. Since I haven't heard back from him, I've made this video to make sure he understands that I'm serious about this. I believe that by trading on a live account against each other, it's the only way for him to show everyone that the rumors about him are false. This challenge can help clear his name and show what he's truly capable of in the trading world. But on the other end of it, if he doesn't accept this challenge, then all I said about him in this video and further allegations surrounding his name are undeniably the truth.